Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you how to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. For that, open your Instagram application and then hit on the plus button. From here, go through the story. Now, on the left corner, you will see a gallery option. Hit on that and choose a photo that you want to set as Instagram stories. From here, on the top, you will see music icon. Hit on that and select whichever song you like.
I can see us lost, I can see the memory I get slipped away into a moment of time. Cause it was never mine.
Instagram story.
And I can see us twisting the bed sheets all get slipped away.
Same.
I can see us lost.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.